I'm Steve Caplin for CreativePro, and we're going to look at how to use the Displace filter in Affinity. Now, there is a Displace filter in Photoshop, but it's very clumsy to use, whereas in Affinity it's very much easier. And here's why you'd want to use it. Here's a picture of a Union Jack, and I want to put it on top of this brick texture. Well, the first thing is to change the mode of the layer from normal to overlay, and now we can see the bricks through it. But although we can see the bricks, we need to distort this flag so it looks like it's actually painted on there. In Photoshop, you'd have to save the file with just the bricks visible, then go to the Distort filter, and then choose the numbers that you want for the distortion. And because there's no preview in Photoshop, it's very hit and miss, and there's a lot of going backwards and forwards. In Affinity, we simply go to Pixel, Filters, Distort, and we'll choose Displace. And we want to load the map from the layers beneath. And right away, there it is. It's distorted using that brick texture as the distortion. We can change the strength, and as we drag it, it gets more and more distorted. You're generally going to want quite small amounts of distortions here. But you can see that it really is giving us that very good distortion effect, making it look like this flag really is painted onto the brickwork. Let's hide the brick layer, and we're still inside the Displace filter. And instead, we're going to use this silk as our background. So now that the silk is the next active layer below the Union Jack, we can once again click Load Map from Layers Beneath. And now it uses that silk as our distortion. But as you can see, it's getting very ragged over the edges. So what I've done is created a duplicate of this silk layer, which has had a lot of blur applied to it to smooth it out. Let's view our Union Jack again, and once again we'll go to Load Map from Layers Beneath, and now it's using the next visible layer, which is the smooth silk, and we get a much, much smoother distortion. Once we've got that, we can then hide our smooth silk layer so we can see the original silk behind it. And we can change the strength of that displacement. But again, you're going to want quite small amounts, and you really do get the effect of this flag being distorted by that underlying silk. This is so much easier to use than the Photoshop equivalent that it's worth switching into Affinity just to do distortions like this. And because Affinity can open native Photoshop files directly, you have no excuse not to download Affinity and give it a go.
Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give it a like and subscribe to our channel. And for thousands more how-to articles and tutorials, visit our website, creativepro.com, and become a member today. Thanks for learning with us.